mother of the kids here, they decided to do appreciate for you guys. So how we gonna do for the kids, for them too, okay? So as I was saying, they all have the gifts. I'm gonna call them one by one. When I call them, you're gonna know them, okay? That's your female, okay? So when I call her name, I also gonna call your name. You're gonna follow her. This is where you guys gonna stand up. You're gonna line up here, okay? They're gonna bring the gift. After we finish from here, you guys gonna hold a hand like this. Okay. sit on a couch, right? Yeah. But if you guys are uncomfortable, it's okay. We learn it, right?
Yeah.
We learn it. So, like I was saying, so I'm gonna call name by one. Start from number one, Rosie. Rosie Gemis, where are you? Come here. Okay, Gemis. Then the second one is gonna be Nancy. No, sorry, my bad. Hello. Second is gonna be president. She's the president of Omaha, Mary.
Amen.
Then the husband is Abdul. Okay, and then second one is Nancy. She's president of the United States. Okay. Where's the giver?
Where's your bag?
Oh, right.
Mine is
I got it.
My sister.
Yeah.
Albun karbon mar kwani mimi pambor taku shok mota.
Ya ne ko ko kura mu bisor ni di.
Kalau rumah tu sisa.
Ya.
Then the father of kid is Yusuf Naga.
Amen.
Nasra, can you take over the camera?
Nisra ne ya.
Kanura oka kumuri ya mutwali.
It's okay. Take over the camera. Take the video. Then the third one is Nura. Come on. Then her
Tali ya kina hal swan wana ya bisa mai. Hak mana kina hak ya.
It's okay. It's okay. Then her honey is, if I pronounce your name wrong or correct, you correct me, okay? Ngalo.
Kagelok.
Very good. Sorry. Then the last person is Mariam.
Amen.
I'm going him too. Yeah, he can be with the people. With the daddy, man.
The honey is
Ishaya.
the honey is Ishaya.
Hey.
See, this is a new thing we're doing,
That's good.
and we have
I
to.
want to take mine now.
Yes, we have to shake.
It's mine.
So this is a good thing. So
I get it.
good for the kids supposed to be here, but they're not here. They're supposed to do it for us, but it's okay. You know, we step by step. Next time it's gonna be them. It's not gonna be you guys no more. Sorry. Sorry. What I was saying is, see this? Who's happy?
Me happy.
Everybody.
So happy.
Don't be sweaty. I know you guys sweaty.
Oh, I am already.
There's no air.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, the last person in the world is Bulus.
Police, come on. You gotta give two?
Bulus, come here.
Go, Bulus.
They can do something too.
So, stand here. Stand here. Stand here.
Come on,
Stand
come on.
here. Okay. We decided to.
Okay, I'll just check everybody.
You're gonna be a father.
What I was saying that we decided to.
They can do something too, man.
Bulus, wait. Here is our first. We decided we as a woman, I'm a Mary is a president. Mary is a president. We decided to do that this way.
Do it that way, yeah.
Yeah, we give to Mary because she's a president.
Okay.
So we decided that you are the man, okay? You're not a female. And you're part of us. No matter you don't have no kid, you're still a male. So we decided, we as a woman, to give you a gift. Chocolate is in there.
All right.
Make sure you're enjoying it.
I appreciate it.
Eh? So next year in 3 years, you're gonna have a kid.
Father, yeah.
Don't feel bad, okay? There's nobody shame over here. Eh?
Exactly.
You did-
I think you got the iPhone.
I hope something good, you know?
So like I said, I think,
Don't worry, so I'm his grandpa right here.
so,
I'm his grandpa.
yeah, it's not a bad thing we do. I think it's a good thing that female decide to do it, you know, because you're part of the group, you're part of the community.
So you always with us, so we cannot leave behind.
So I think
We feel
I would
fine.
say Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. And one more hug.
Thank
One more hug. Oh, thank you. Okay.
You need to have that.
I didn't have where?
Oh, dear.
Yeah.
Where do you go? Okay. Why
She's
Linda,
jealous.
why you
She's
don't come?
jealous.
Why you don't come?
She's jealous.
You need to come.
Hey, okay. Thank you, baby girl.
That's why I give you happy. You happy. Why you don't come?
That was a deal.
Hey, why she didn't come?
Come where? Come where?
Hey,
Come where?
you don't have an address.
Leave for next time.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Thank you.
Dan buat semua gini-gini Nana. Mana boleh take a picture dulu.
No.
So good.
Tetap ya mana take a picture.
Okay. Okay.
Sit down, sit down.
So it's a Father Day.
So like she said,
take a
so
picture.
if you
Kau nak share kan ni? Kau nak buat nak kena.
Sige ya.
Yeah, excuse me.
It's okay.
I exit out.
Muchi.
Sini, ane sebelum walau kan ni cande kan?
President, she have something to say right now. So if
Ane,
you're out,
dunache mai, dunache wati walau anak kena
yeah,
tan.
if you're out, she's gonna say something.
Okay. I'll sit down. What
You gotta talk loud though. You know people are just
Okay, can you move from behind them?
Okay, I just want to talk a little bit.
Sit
What is our
down.
come?
Sit
Sit
down.
down.
Oh, sorry, banu. Tetap apa deh?
Anak kamu ni walau ada. Lalu,
Okay.
habis share cakap muka iya tu be.
Like that, and then head it like, yeah.
It's clean, it's clean.
Dah kos yang besi.
That's one.
Okay, that's
1%.
welcome.
Lalu walau ada anak yang suhu di sana.
Borod.